text that bitch, she don't respond. Either way, I get the mess. Me and my niggas come through flexing, and I'm hot like you some tick. Still serving sex, I'm reckless, and I'm reckless in that Lexus. Keep macking cars, can't learn my lesson. I'm still stretching shit a blessing. If you wanna see me lose, then you dumb as fuck. All I do is count them blues, watch me run it up. Thumb through cash all day, fuck my thumber up. Backing up off that drink, fuck my bumper up. I was talking hot shit, shot him with a cold clip, fuck this summer up. We outside after them hits, it ain't none of us.
Got him! Got him! Oh! Whoa!
I'm gonna put the chips down real quick. Sure. So these are my stock mufflers right here, my stock setup. Got that thing, you know what I'm saying, ready. My tip right there. And I'm upgrading it to that Boiler Pro XS. The part number right here. So I'm keeping everything stock for now. Stock everything. So stock cats, resonator, all that. And see if we get some sound with just the muffler. Let's see. You can even see a resonation on the inside. Look at the inside of that. Oh, look at that sound technology. Let's see it. I'm going to see how it's going to sound. I might do a Boiler resonator if it's too quiet, but I think it'll be good. One side down, y'all. Look at how clean that is. Look at how clean that is. Now, ooh. Now all I'm thinking about is nothing. I almost thinking about that Resi, but I don't know. I ain't gonna do it, y'all. I'm almost thinking like that Resi, y'all. Or I might get that Magnaflow cat. I don't know. They got that Magnaflow cat. I get that Magnaflow cat, bruh. That downpipe. I don't know, though. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. This shit crazy. Yeah. So that's how we looking underneath. We got the 4-inch tips. Black chrome with the Boiler Pro XS, 2.5-inch tubing, true dual, everything else stock, I left the stock Resi, left the stock cats, all that of course. Still thinking about doing something to the Resi, but we'll see.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
the sounds, so let me find out for myself. Yeah, I just put a wheel setup in here. I was just gonna get myself a roller, just rolling with the wheel setup. I'm leaving right back out. Oh, police cam. So that's how we went tonight. first thing that happened to me, police. So I'll go to somewhere else. Y'all so y'all can hear it on the launch. Fuck it.
Damn. Oh shit. After that, I ain't got nothing to say to that bitch. Say the name of the game and these bitches gonna go. Ain't nothing to change in this game with the scope. Fuck, man, fuck Lil' Fo. Fuck. They be like, damn, he go nuts. Text that bitch, she don't respond. Either way, I get the mess. Me and my niggas come through flexing, and I'm hot like Houston Texas. Still serving sex, I'm reckless, and I'm reckless in that lick. Keep macking cars, can't learn my lesson. I'm still stretching shit a bless.